my name is Rachel Bustos, and I have been going to Beach Babe Glow Bar for a little under a year now, and today I just want to share with you my tips and tricks that I do when prepping for a spray tan. First, I want to share with you guys how to book a spray tan or a tan, because they do have a tanning bed. You can book by email, text, or call, or Facebook. They have all of their appointments listed out on Facebook, so you can choose which one you want to go to. And also on Instagram. If you have an Instagram, you can message them on there. So the first step, if this is your first time getting a spray tan, they want to always set up a consultation, and this consultation is just for them to get to know you better and for them to color match you. And they also will have a goodie bag of some samples in there, things like moisturizer, body wash, and exfoliator. And these products are all very safe, and when I say safe, I mean it's paraben free, sulfate free, it won't strip your tan, and it increases longevity. So the day before my tan, when I go and get a spray tan, I always make sure to shower. And when I shower, I exfoliate everywhere. I really get my elbows and my knees and my ankles, and then I also shave. When I exfoliate, I always make sure to get any excess tan off of my body. So excess tan from my last spray tan. So the day of, what I wear after I get out of the shower, I make sure to not put on any product at all. I don't put on deodorant, I don't put on lotion, I don't put on any face lotion as well. And then the next day when I wake up, still product free on my body, I will wear just loose fitting clothing to go to my appointment, and if it's raining, I will wear like a long sleeve and sweatpants. When I go to my appointment, I make sure to bring a towel, and I usually get sprayed in my underwear, but you absolutely don't have to. And the towel that I bring is used for the ride home. That I usually just sit on it so my legs don't stick to my seat. And I think that is it. I hope this video is super helpful for you guys, and if you have any questions or anything like that, or you want to know how to take care of your tan after you get a spray tan, then you can click the link below. Thank you.